And I just quickly went, man, this is the sort of stuff I should be learning. I've learned more in a month than I have in 12 months at school. It wasn't until I got a job with a guy called Glenn Carlson, who runs a business called Dent Global. A lot of your listeners may have read his book or heard of his book or his business partner's book called Key Person of Influence. It's a bestseller around the world for a really great business book. Highly recommend it. And so when I spent about a year with him, almost doing like a Gary Vee style, following him around, shooting video content for his personal brand. And man, the amount of stuff I learned in that year was phenomenal. I learned about, advanced marketing, Facebook ads, getting into all marketing. I learned communication skills, presenting, creativity. I was because I got to go to all of his business events and network and meet all these cool people. It really opened up my mind to the world of business and to, I guess, the adult world. And I just quickly went, man, this is the sort of stuff I should be learning. I've learned more in a month than I have in 12 months at school. And that was, kind of the catalyst for starting the podcast. The podcast, funny enough, came through We Are Podcast. I'm not sure if you were involved at that point, but in 2018, with Ronzi Vaz, who runs We Are Podcast, I attended the event and I was one of the speakers. So I got to go to the speakers retreat with guys like Jordan Harbinger and Pat Flynn. And I had no idea who these guys were. So I met these guys, played games with them, and I just realized how powerful podcasting was. And I realized I could marry up all my skills, video marketing. I could bring on experts to cover topics that I'm not an expert on. And podcasting sounded like a great way to build up my communication skills and grow my network as well. So that's kind of, I guess, the story in a nutshell.